All right, the sun is going down quick and my hydraulic store is out of couplers that I need, but by goodness, we are gonna make some sawdust fly. I am determined. So let me flip this camera around and I'll show you what we have going on. All right, so we have the E60 excavator. I've got a pass-through log grapple being built for that. That is going to load the live deck on the new 1824 diesel. So there's the Kohler 49 horsepower diesel, tandem axles, new auto tensioner on the saw, positive log stop for getting that guaranteed length every time. Brand new 10-way diamond wedge. Attached hydraulic folding conveyor. This is a hydraulic fold. As you saw in the pictures, it will go up and over the log trough. Brute force disc cleaner. New 30-foot radius axle stacking conveyor. I do have the axles set for straight right now. Just trying to get this video in before the sun leaves me for the day and I'm in the dark. So without having the right ag couplers for the whole system to get set up, I at least want to run the disc cleaner. So this is up on the inside there, but to run the cleaner, we have the processor set up with its own set of couplers to run all of this, but like I said, being short on the couplers, we are going to run this off of the Bobcat Toolcat. I've done this before. It does work pretty well. Really wanted to make the whole thing sing today, but it is just not in the cards, so we're going to at least process one log through. We'll just fill the hopper here on the conveyor just for giggles on that one, but unfortunately it'll just be the processor and the cleaner running, not the whole shooting match until Monday anyhow when the actual hydraulic store opens. These are the auxiliary connections down here that we are going to tap into to run everything. We're going to run it from there to the cleaner and then to the conveyor, and then loop everything back through for a solid circuit. But we'll clip this camera, get everything warmed up, and make some sawdust. I do need to get used to the controls a little bit. There's just some extra levers in there that I'm not used to yet. So we have that last log holder there. Again, the positive log stop, the auto tensioner on the saw bar, the 10-way diamond wedge. Give you another look there. Seemed to work all right. Need to get the conveyor speed figured out so that way we're not losing things off the side. Gonna have to get that to spin just a little bit faster. But over here, the disc cleaner did its job. You can see all the little bits and pieces that kind of came out of it here. And over here in the conveyor, once they get the hydraulic hoses set up for this, you know, we'll go ahead and just put that right into some firewood bags on the other end of it. But you know, for right now, it's all pretty decent sized stuff. All pretty happy with it. Some bigger pieces, some smaller pieces. I'll throw my glove in there for a reference. But yeah, pretty happy with how all that turned out with my auxiliary power pack, aka Toolcat, over there. Alright, well again, I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales. If there's anything we can get you a sales quote on, I'd be happy to be your salesman. You can email me, it's sales@shaverequipment.com, or you can call me, it's 833-SPLITTER, that's 833-775-4887. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on this so you can stay up to date on all of the different videos that we have going on. And we're going to call this one a wrap for today. It's everything from off the trailer to actually cutting our first piece of firewood log here on the new 1824. This is going to be a complete setup with the disc cleaner and radius axle stacking conveyor, so stay tuned. We'll get some more video up and going soon. Thanks for watching.